about a very handy operator which is called first defined or nullish coalescing operator in JavaScript. To follow along, you can open Chrome, right? Because I'll be teaching through some examples. So you can open any browser, inspect, and go to like snippets where you can run JavaScript code. So what is null coalescing operator? Say you want to write a piece of code like this. If let's define a couple of variables. First, let A, let B. Okay, now if I want to write something like A is not equal to null and A is not equal to undefined. If this is the case, return A, right? Else return B. So this is a very common piece of code that you may be encountering in JavaScript. The other way to write this code is to use ternary operator, right? You can write A not equal to undefined and A not equal to null. Then A else B. So the outcome is it will check if A is defined or not defined, and then it will return A if it's not undefined, and if it's undefined then it will return B. You may have guessed that here A is undefined, so ideally this piece of code should return B. This won't pass, so it will return B in this scenario. A very easy way to write this is using first defined operator, where you simply write A question mark B, and this is exactly the same thing. So if A is undefined or A is null, you get B, and if A is not undefined, not null, then you get A. It's as simple as this, right? And you may be wondering, you have an OR operator also, right? How do you use this? So OR works when A is true, right? OR basically checks for truthy. So if A is false, then it goes to B, which means if A is 0 or false, it will go to B. But this operator first defined only checks like if A is defined or not. So now what we can do is, let's go to console where I can just show you what it means. So let's say let A and let B equal to 2, and I'll write A B. What do you think the outcome will be? You may have seen already, it's 2, right? Now if I say A equal to 3 and I say again A B, so I get 3 because A is no more undefined. This is a very handy operator. It's introduced in ECMAScript 2020, and you can already see how much easy it makes, how much easy it is to code using this operator. Hope you got a basic idea. I'll share a link to the code and you can try it on your own. Thank you.